In this video I am going to show you how to make money by using Google Chrome, and I am going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything and implement everything right after watching this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to smash that like button before watching this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need Google Chrome. So if you are on mobile phone, you can simply go to Google Play and download a Google Chrome, or if you are on desktop, you can download this. Once you have done this much, then simply go to Google and search for help all. So this is the first site that we are going to visit in order to make money by using Google Chrome. So simply click on this helpall.com and then you will be able to visit to this site. Now how this site works is, when you ask question, when you answer question, you will get prizes. Okay, and here you can see the prizes are in the form of point, and lots of people are getting massive amount of points, and I am going to show you exactly how you can also get these kind of points by simply answering the questions. But firstly, let me show you in detail how this works. So if you click on this get prizes, then it will show you how it works. You need to answer a question and you will get 100 points, and if you submit the first accepted answer, meaning the answer that were not previously answered or accepted in help all. Okay, so if you answer that kind of question, then you are going to get 1000 points, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how you can grab these kind of 1000 points again and again so that you can increase your points drastically. And once you collect this kind of points, then later you can redeem it to Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, iCard, and lots of other gift card. Now in case if you have no any use of this gift card, then I'll also show you how you can turn this gift card into US dollar. Okay, so now let's see how this works. You can also read all of these things how this works, other thing, but we are mainly focused in this. Okay, so now if you click on this answer questions, then you'll visit to this site. Okay, sorry, this interface, and then you just need to click on here. Okay, and select the company, like any company you can select, but if you select the popular company, then it will be more than easy to find answers for those companies. Okay, and then just click on submit search. Now here people have posted lots of questions that are related to Apple. Okay, you can answer any of these. Now of course you don't know how to answer these questions, and I'm also going to show you that too, how you can answer. But see, how to set up Wi-Fi on iPad touch model. So you can just simply copy it. Okay, simply copy it and go to Google and then paste that question in this way and search for it. Now of course you are not going to find answer for all the questions. Okay, but most of the questions answer will be on Google or in Quora. Okay, wherever you would find that you need to do that research part by yourself. Okay, that is your work, but most of the answer will be on Google. So for example, let's say this is the answer. If this is not, then you can go to another question and see like how to jailbreak model MC. Okay, let's copy it, let's again paste it at here. Okay, and see if there are any answer. So now what happens, some people have already made this video. Okay, you can watch this video and write the answer. Okay, one thing you can do that, or scroll below and see if these answers are good fit. Give them the accurate answer so that that answer gets approved. Okay, so simply open it, copy it, and then paste your answer by clicking on answers. Now similarly you can find other companies like American Airlines, okay, American Express, whatever it is. You can find most of, or like Autodesk. You can find lots of company at here and keep on answering this only unanswered questions. Okay, make sure to tick mark this. Don't tick mark on all questions, but also in only unanswered questions, so that you can find out these questions that are unanswered. Okay, so now let's assume that you have collected good amounts of points from this help all. Then now let's say you don't need this kind of gift card. Okay, but also you will be redeeming your points into gift card. Now what you can do is, once you, let's say you receive Amazon gift card, then what you can do is go to a site that is called GameFlip. Simply type on Google GameFlip and then just click on this site, and then you will visit to this kind of interface. Now firstly You don't need to do anything, just go to this gift card, and whichever gift card you have, just click on this Amazon. So for example, you have got Amazon gift card, okay, just click on it, and then you will see here there are lots of Amazon gift cards. Now see, this is a site where people come to sell their gift card and buy gift card. Okay, now you may think like, why people will buy gift card from this kind of site? Now as you can see here, this is the $10 Amazon gift card and it is on sale for $9. Okay, and this is the beauty of this site. People always sell the gift card on the lower price. Okay, lower price. So as you can see here, so okay, so here lots of people have mistaken and kept like for 5 USD they are charging 5. Okay, so for £5 gift card they are charging 5 USD. That is also low. As you can see here is the clear example, like 14 USD Amazon gift card they are charging 9 USD. So in this way you need to give the discount so that you can make, like for $25 USD Amazon gift card they are charging 22.5, 10% off. In the same way, you need to create your account on GameFlip and put your gift card on sale in a little bit low price so that it can be sold immediately. So guys, in this way you can use Google Chrome to make money with the help of this awesome site that is called Helpful, and then later turn your points into gift cards and then exchange it in the site like GameFlip. And yes guys, never forget to select this only unanswered questions so that you can get this kind of 1000 points again and again by answering the questions that are not accepted previously. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.